Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 frame drops problem. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do, first click here and then go to Startup Apps. Now turn off all applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC. Applications that you know what they do, like Spotify, Skype and stuff like that. And then after that go to graphics settings. Now enable this option, and after that you will need to restart your PC, so just restart your PC and then go to the GeForce Experience drivers, check for updates and install the latest update for your graphics card, and then go to settings, scroll down, enable image scaling, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.